Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, we will discuss that how from forward interpolation and backward interpolation formula we can find out polynomials of the given data. Now given data is consists upon 5 terms. For 5 values of x there exist 5 values of y, and length of interval is in each interval is 1 because Newton-Gregory formula is used for length of equal interval. So length of each interval is 1, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 3 1, 5 minus 4 1. Now for forward interpolation table and backward interpolation table. It is discussed in previous part that if number of terms consists upon n number of term in data, then in forward interpolation and backward interpolation there will be n minus 1 number of del operation difference table, number of n difference column will be obtained. So here are 1 2 3 4 5 numbers of terms of data. So in difference table there will be difference up to 4 terms. So we will get here del y, del square y, del cube y and del 4y for with forward operator, and similarly with backward operator we will get here del y, del square y, del cube y and del 4y. To calculate forward difference or backward difference, method is same. Minus 1 minus 1, we will get here minus 2. 1 minus 1, we will get here plus 2. Minus 1 minus 1, we will get here minus 2, and here we will get plus 2. So our second column, that is first difference column, is with entries minus 2 2 minus 2 2. Same entries will be written in backward operator. So this is minus 2 2 minus 2 and 2. Now for second difference column, 2 minus 2 minus minus 2, this will be 4, minus 4, and for these two values we get here 4. Similar here will be 4 minus 4 and 4. This was the second column difference. Third difference column will be minus 4 will be 8 minus 8, and here will be plus 8. Similar third difference column is minus 8 plus 8. Now with fourth difference column, 8 plus 8, here will be 16, and similar is 8 minus minus 8 will be 16. Forward interpolation table for difference and backward interpolation table for difference always same. Only difference comes with the choose of y naught value. When we are going to find using Newton-Gregory formula for forward interpolation, we will take value of y naught from upper diagonal to this endpoint, and when we are using backward formula, we will start from lower value to that point. So this first value is y naught, this is del y naught, this is del square y naught, This is del cube y naught, and this is del 4 y naught. So here is y naught, backward operator del y naught, del square y naught, del cube y naught, and del 4 y naught. So as for forward interpolation, we use u. U is used for forward interpolation. So u can be find out. So we write it at lower of the table here. U is equal to x minus x naught over h, and k is equal to y x minus xn over h. Now x naught is initial and that is 1. So x minus 1 over 1 will be equal to x minus 1. And here xn is equal to 5. So x minus 5 over 1 will give us x minus 5. This is value of k. This is value of u. Now we will use forward interpolation formula and find out required polynomial, and we'll use backward formula to find out required polynomial. So let's start further. We have written forward interpolation formula and backward interpolation formula for del 4 y term. So as we have find out that value of u is x minus 1 and value of k is x minus 5. So u1 is equal to u in x minus 1. u2 is u into u minus 1. So we will write here x minus 1, further x minus 2. This will be x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. And u4 will be x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 and x minus 4. Here is k is x minus 5. So k into k minus 1 will be x minus 5, x minus 6. K is x minus 5, k minus 1 is x minus 6 and k minus 2 is x minus 7. And k4 value is x minus 5, x minus 6, x minus 7 and x minus 8. Now we will use these values and put into forward interpolation formula and backward interpolation formula. So f of x is equal to y naught. So let's put it here to solve out. When we are talking about forward interpolation, write it here. For forward interpolation, y naught is 1, write here 1, plus u1 is x minus 1 over 1 factorial is 1. Del y naught is minus 2, plus u square is x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 2 over 2 factorial, and del square y naught is 4. For third term, we have x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3 divided by 3 factorial, and del cube y naught is minus 8. And our fourth term is u4 is x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4 over 4 factorial, and del 4 y naught for forward is 16. So we will put 16 here. Now we will solve and get that. Now by simplification we will get this 1 minus 2x plus 2. This is 4 factorial, this is 2, so we will get here 2 into x square minus 3x plus 2. This is 3 factorial and this is 8 minus 8. So 3 factorial is 6 and by cancellation it will give us 4 by 3. X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. By multiplication will give us x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Now for this first term, this is 4 factorial and 4 factorial is equal to 24. So 16 divided by 24 will give us 2 by 3 into multiplying term x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4. We will get x4 minus 10x cube plus 35x square minus 50x plus 24. Now we will open brackets and simplify by adding similar variable into with similar variable, and we will get at last 2 by 3 x4 minus 8x cube by combining all term of x cube plus 100 by 3 x square combining all term of variable x square minus 56x and constant is 31. This is required polynomial for forward. Now similarly we can find out for backward. When we are talking about backward interpolation, to substitute value into given formula, y naught is 1 plus k is x minus 5 over 1 factorial and backward del y naught is 2 plus k square is x minus 5 x minus 6 over 2 factorial and del square y naught is 4 plus x minus 5 x minus 6 x minus 7 over 3 factorial into del cube y naught is 8. 7 into 8 plus for first term k4 is x minus 5 x minus 6 x minus 7 x minus 8 over 4 factorial and del 4 y naught is 16. Now when we will simplify this, we will get 1 plus 1 factorial is 1, so we will write here 2x minus 10 and two factorial is equal to 2, so cancellation will give us 2 and inside will be x square minus 11x plus 30. Now for next, this is 8 and this is 3 factorial. 3 factorial is equal to 6, so cancellation will give us 4 by 3 into x square first multiply two terms. We have to make some correction here that when we are talking about backward interpolation, k will be k plus 1 k plus 2 into this term. So we have to make our correction here. This will be x minus 4, x minus 4, x minus 3, x minus 5, x minus 4, x minus 3, and finally x minus 2, because we have to move toward backward. So to move toward backward, we will add up x minus 5, x minus 4, x minus 5, x minus 4, and this is x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 3, and x minus 2. So with simplification, x minus 5 multiply x minus 4 will give us minus 9x plus 20. Now x minus 5 multiply by x minus 4 give us x square minus 9x plus 20, and third is x minus 3. For fourth, 4 factorial is equal to 24. So we will get here 8, 2 by 3, cancellation of 16 by 24, we will get here 2 by 3. X minus 5 multiply x minus 4 will give us x square minus 9x plus 20, and x minus 3 multiply with x minus 2 will give us x square minus 5x plus 6. Now with simplification we will get here f of x is equal to, by combining terms of x1, x2, x3, we will write here f of x is equal to 2 by 3 x4 minus 8 x cube plus 100 by 3 x square minus 56x plus 31 is required polynomial. Now it is clear that from this it is clear that either we use forward interpolation or backward interpolation formula, required polynomial will be same. And it is also clear from here that if we have to use value of function for any given point inside the data, that is called interpolation. If we have to interpolate the value for a point inside the data, then either we use forward formula or backward formula. Both will give us same answer. So it is clear that if it is to be said that we have to find out polynomial for Newton-Gregory formula, then we have to find out for both forward and backward. But if it is mentioned that we have to find by using forward interpolation formula, then we will only solve it by forward. But if it is given to find out only from backward interpolation, that we will use only backward formula. But if it is to find out only polynomial by Newton's Gregory interpolation, then we have to find out both by forward interpolation formula and as well as backward interpolation formula. And that's all about today's lecture.